Hi, I am Alane, a certified holistic nutritionist. I have over 30 years of success and experience helping thousands of men and women achieve their health and wellness goals naturally, of course. If you are struggling with symptoms of menopause, weight gain, hormone imbalance, autoimmunity, Lyme disease, hair loss, skin eruptions, I've got you covered. Together, we can avoid traps like wasting time, money, and energy, so you can finally feel healthy again. If you're a woman like me, I know you're probably worried about those fine lines and wrinkles, and maybe your hair is thinning, maybe your neck is starting to sag. I understand, and I've got you covered too. This is my skincare section. I work with women of all ages, and I'm 61, and I'm told they don't look 61, and I'll tell you that this works. I have a wonderful product that works from the inside out to restore collagen production, and I have topical skincare that works amazingly fast. So what's next? Dive into my videos, learn some actionable tips and strategies that you can use right away. And when you're ready for a personalized plan, book your virtual appointment right away. Many times I use functional labs to get to the root cause of symptoms and health challenges, so you finally get the answers you need. Your success is closer than you think. I am here with you every step of the way. I can't wait to meet you and help you achieve your health and wellness goals.